Hello. For the last few videos, you might have seen me explaining concepts, doing worthless products, building an anime trailer. So I thought, why not build something useful? So I thought over it. Then I came across an idea to build a resume modifier, like a resume tweaker to be precise. Uh, to be frank, you, me, and all might have sit in front of the laptop editing your resume for each job application. Like that's so hefty. It's so tough to do. You might have to go through the keywords. What is the job description requires you to do, and still you have to come up with the resume that you need to apply for this particular application. That means the keywords, your experience should match the job description. That's where this resume tweaker comes into the picture. Here, you just you can just pass out your resume to this particular application, and this application will go through your resume and the job description and give out to you an updated resume, or at least an updated resume template, so that you can just copy, paste it, and update from that. Like any other product that I have built so far, ResumeMod is also an open source product. So what you can do here is to give out your resume and the job description, and behind the scenes we call Hugging Face API and then LLM inside it to update your resume to meet the job description that is required for you to apply, and you can just see that your resume will align to the job description without losing the intact or the context of your particular resume. And for that, first you can start by cloning the repository that I have provided in the description below, and you can just install the requirements, update the set environment variables, and run the Flask application, and tada, you are good to go. Right now, you might be wondering, out of all the applications and APIs available, including OpenAI, Gemini, why did we choose to go for Hugging Face? First of all, this is an open source project, and we do not have any paid version as of now. So, initially, we thought of doing this particular project in the local system, like using Olama and the LLMs inside it. But then we thought that most of us might not have the compute to process these particular LLMs in the local environment. Then we dive a little bit and found out that Hugging Face used to provide at least 50 token queries per an hour for a user if it log in or authenticate his account through Hugging Face. So that's what we have done here. You can just log into your Hugging Face account and authenticate your particular profile. Then this particular LLM is free to use for you at least for 50 tries at least in an hour. So that's like virtually infinite updates for a person. So that's why we choose Hugging Face API as of now. It's totally free of cost. You don't have to pay anything, and you can even update your account in Hugging Face. But for now, that's not required. You can just use this account and this application as it is. So once you authenticate your account in the Hugging Face, you will be in our application. So in the layout, you will have three options. One is to upload your profile or resume as a PDF file. Then you can even paste your profile as a text, and you definitely need to update the job description to match this resume. And after that, in the layout, you will get the updated resume. You can verify and rectify the resume from that base output that you get from our application. So that's how this particular application works. As of now, we are planning to improve it further, making it more reliable for you so that you can see where your particular resume is lacking for this particular job application, how your job or how your resume is closely related to your job description, and how good you are in writing the resume as well. So that's our future scope, but still, yeah, this is the basic layout of our application as of now. Now let's look into the code base. So in the repository, it is almost a well-structured code base in which you can see multiple files. So inside the app folder, you can see that we have divided it into multiple folders like content, route, services, template, and utils. Inside the services, you will find the optimizer function where we are calling the Hugging Face API, giving the prompt so that you can update your particular resume to meet the job description that is provided by you. And we are also have given the code for hugging-based authentication, and the time mode functions are all described in the utils folder. And there is also a function to extract the content from PDF or docx to convert into TXT so that you can compare the resume to the job description provided. Regarding the UI, as of now, we are using very limited UI. We are using just basic HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap, so that we can keep the UI minimal as of now. But over the time, if time permits and if the project demands, we will improve the UI over the period of time. That's what we are hoping to do. So, like I said, the basic intent of this project was to reduce the time that you spend to tweak your resume for the particular job description. So usually you know that once you find a job description, you might need to tweak your resume to meet that particular job description. That is usually not advised since it takes a lot of time. But using this particular application, I believe you can tweak your resume and format it in a lesser time so that you can apply for the job much faster, much easier, and with much more confidence. So yeah, you can try out this application. Like I said, the link is in the description below. And also tell me your feedback so that I can update this application based on your feedback. Because I know this is a really small application, but hopefully if I get more feedbacks, I will try to improve the application over a period of time. I know there are like a lot of limitations. Maybe I haven't go to the UI well. Like I said, it's a basic UI. And the security part, I haven't even looked into that. So if you guys have any feedbacks, let me know so that I can work on it.